मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? आई होप कि आप सब घर में खैरियत से होंगे। आज मैं आपकी कंप्यूटर की टीचर और आज हम लेंगे लेक्चर नंबर 3 पेंट। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप कि आपने ये चैप्टर ओपन कर लिया होगा। दिस इज़ द चैप्टर नेम इज़ पेंट। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड इट्स रीडिंग। चिल्ड्रन, you enjoy drawing and coloring. You may have drawn an apple, a ball or a heart in your drawing book. You can also do drawing and coloring on the computer. आप कंप्यूटर पे भी ड्राइंग एंड कलरिंग कर सकते हैं। यू कैन ड्रॉ देम यूजिंग अ प्रोग्राम कॉल्ड पेंट। पेंट के ऑप्शन में जाकर आप कलरिंग एंड ड्राइंग कर सकते हैं। पेंट अलाउज यू टू मेक ब्यूटीफुल ड्राइंग्स एंड ऑल्सो कलर देम यूजिंग वेरियस टूल्स। Starting paint. How we can start the paint option? To start paint, click on the start button on the Windows desktop. A menu of options appears. Click on all programs in this menu and other menu opens. Click on accessories option in this menu and other menu appears. This menu has an option paint. Click on the paint option. The paint screen appears. This is called the paint window. This is the paint window screen. The paint window has the following important components. Title bar. अब पहले हम सबसे पढ़ेंगे टाइटल बार के बारे में. It is the horizontal bar at the top of the window. The name of the program and the file appears on the title bar. Title bar also has 3 buttons on the right corner as shown in the figure. इस तरह का टाइटल बार होता है, उसके साइड पर जो आपको मेन्यू शो हो रहा होता है, टाइटल बार इज़ कॉल्ड टाइटल बार. मेन्यू बार, दिस इज जस्ट बिलो द टाइटल बार. मेन्यू बार shows the names of different menus. On clicking on a name, a list appears with many options. This list is called drop down menu. Come to the next page. Drawing board. The blank area in the center is called the drawing board. You can draw and color pictures in this area. Scroll bars. The paint window is big in size and does not fit on the screen. The scroll bar allows you to view the unseen part of the paint window. Vertical scroll bar moves the window up and down, and horizontal scroll bar moves it left and right. Toolbox. A toolbox appears on the left side of the screen. It has many tools for drawing and pictures. Color box. The color box at the bottom of the screen contains many colors for you to choose from. Tools in the toolbox. A toolbox contains many tools as shown below. This is the toolbox. और इसमें हम कितना कुछ हमें शो हो रहा है, उसमें से हम कुछ भी सिलेक्ट कर अपनी पिक्चर को ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, कलर कर सकते हैं, ब्रशिंग कर सकते हैं, उसमें हम टेक्स्ट कुछ भी आउट कर सकते हैं. Let us look at the use of these tools one by one. Line tool. The line tool is used to draw lines. We can draw the lines from this line tool. Click on the line tool. Move the pointer to the drawing board. The mouse pointer changes to the plus sign. Place the pointer where you want to start the line and press the left button to the mouse. Drag it to the position where you want to line to end. Release the mouse button. When you draw the line, you will release the button, then you will take a proper line. Changing the thickness of the line, click on the line tool. Choose the thickness of the line from the option available in the option box. अब rectangle tool के बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे. The rectangle tool is used to draw rectangle or square. It also allows you to draw rectangle filled with color. Select the rectangle tool. Select the type of rectangle to be drawn from the options. Come to the next page. आज हम इसकी हाफ रीडिंग करेंगे ताकि आपको अच्छे से अंडरस्टैंड हो जाए. Okay students, select the color of the outline by clicking the left mouse button on the color in the color box. Select the color to be filled by clicking the right mouse button on the color in the color box. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Press the left button of the mouse and drag it down till the rectangle of desired size is drawn. Release the left button. और आपको वो desired जो box चाहिए वो आपके सामने appear हो जाएगा. Rounded rectangle. This tool draw a rectangle with rounded corner. The various options and selection of colors is done just like those of the rectangle tool. Ellipse tool. The ellipse tool is used to draw circle and oval shapes. Select the ellipse tool. Select an option for the type of circle oval to be drawn. Select the color of the outline by clicking the left mouse button on the color in the color box. Select a color to be filled by clicking the right mouse button on a color in the color box. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Press the left mouse button and drag to draw the oval shape. Release the mouse button and you can take the oval shape on the screen. Polygon tool. The polygon tool is used to draw a polygon. Polygon is the closed figure made up of the straight line. Number 1, select the polygon tool. Number 2, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Then press the left mouse button and drag it to the draw a line. Release the button. Place the mouse pointer where the second line should end and again click the mouse button. A line joins the end of the first line to the pointer where the mouse button is clicked. Come to the next page and we take this like a picture. Keep repeating until the drawing is complete. Double click to end. Curve tool. A curve tool is used to draw curved lines. हमें curved line चाहिए तो हम curve tool use करेंगे. Select the curve tool. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area and draw a straight line as with the line tool. Place the mouse pointer at any place on the line. Then press the mouse button and drag to make the desired shape of curve. Double click to end. Now we can read how we use the pencil tool. The pencil tool is similar to using pencil for drawing. It is used for freehand drawing. Select the pencil tool by clicking on it. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Press the left mouse button and move the mouse on the mouse pad to draw the desired shape. Note that you keep the left mouse button pressed while drawing. Release the mouse button when you have drawn the desired shape. Brush tool. The brush tool is used to draw freehand drawing using a colored brush. It works similar to the pencil tool except the shape and size of the brush can vary. Select the brush tool by clicking on it. When we use the brush tool, we can use like these pictures. Select a color from the color box, select the shape and width of brush from the options. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area and draw using the brush while pressing the left mouse button. Release the mouse button when done. Airbrush tool. The airbrush tool is used to spray colors. Select the airbrush tool. Select the size of the spray from the options available. Select the color to be sprayed from the color box. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area and click the mouse button to spray the color. Fill color tool. The fill color tool is used to fill a color in a closed figure. Select the fill color tool. Select the color to be filled from the color box. Move the mouse pointer inside the figure to be colored and click the left mouse button. The selected color gets filled in the closed area. Note, इसके लिए एक note भी है. The figure to be closed should be the closed figure. It should not have any breaks, otherwise the color will spill on the entire drawing board. If you have a drawing area and you will spill the color tool, अब आपने अगर उसको select नहीं किया तो वो सारे में spread हो जाएगा. इसके लिए you should be more careful. Text tool. Text tool can be used to add text to your drawing. For example, you may like to give a heading or title to your drawing. Select the text tool. Select a color for the text from the color box. Take a mouse pointer to the place where you want to place the text. Press the left mouse button and drag to make a text book. A text toolbar appears on the screen. Choose suitable font, size and style from the text toolbar. Click inside the text menu. Type the text by using the keyboard keys. Pick color tool. The pick color tool is used to copy a color on one part of the drawing to another. Select the pick color tool. Click on the part from where you want to copy the color. Now select the fill color tool. Click on the part closed figure where you want this color. Eraser tool. The eraser tool is used to erase an area of the drawing. Select the eraser tool. Bring the cursor on the area to be erased. Press the left mouse button and drag it over the area. Select tool. The select tool select a rectangular area of the drawing for carrying out any changes in the selected area. Freeform select tool. The freeform select allows you to select an irregular area of the drawing for carrying out any changes or to copy the area. Magnify tool. The magnify tool is used to enlarge the view of the drawing. The drawing can be made to look twice, 6 times or 8 times larger by the selecting the choices 2 times, 6 times और 8 times respectively. यानी कि मैग्नीफाई टूल्स के थ्रू आप उसको कितने भी टाइम्स बड़ा बिगर करके उसको क्लियरली देख सकते हैं। बाकी की रीडिंग हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में लेंगे। थैंक यू।